It's that time again for Rolling Thunder's Air Water Day, right?
Yes, it is.
All right.
Not only that, but we're putting in air and water in your tires and battery.
That's right.
The other, I'm not sure which.
That's right. Nice that it's nice and cool right now. This. Did I get your permission? Okay. Air and Water Day here in Leisureworld. Checking the battery levels. Checking the tire pressure.
Shower.
Hey, what's your name?
I am Bill, sir.
Hi, it's Bill. Looks like you're the supervisor to air today for the Leisureworld Rolling Thunder's Air Water Day for the golf carts.
For the moment.
For the moment.
Everyone's equal.
I love it. All right. Air Water Day.